Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to install Google Meet on your PC. Just open Google Chrome and go to meet.google.com. Click the three dots menu at the top right corner. Then select Cast, Save and Share. From there choose Install Google Meet. And click Install. Now Google Meet will open in its own window like an app, and you can access it anytime from your start menu from your desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.